slid. Yeah, we'll put it off till tomorrow. I'm gonna just try to get myself home. Don't worry about me. I'm careful with Mom in the car, so. And I got brand new tires, and I'm able to grip the road. All these other cars got worn out tires, and they're just sliding every which way but loose. So, yeah, all right. I might call you when I get home just to let you know I made it. Later. Bye. I'm gonna get by you. So you're signaling. Big deal. Hello. I couldn't make it to the pickup. I mean, you got a lot of snow there? Yeah, well, I'm on 76, and I can't get up to my buddy's houses because of the hills and the snow. I'm trying to fight my way out of here. I've seen 5 or 6 cars smash into each other already, just sliding. Yeah, somebody must have came down the hill and just went flying. I guarantee it. Yeah, I won't be over today. We're going to wait till tomorrow and hope they plow this stuff out of the way and stuff. But we're going to have the Super Bowl with Southern Comfort tonight. So I just thought I'd call you and let you know I was trying, but I guess I ain't going to make it. I got people behind me, in front of me, and nobody moving. Yeah, it's coming down blizzard right now. Unbelievable blizzard right now, so. Yeah, I got Mom in the car and we're having fun in the snow. But there's cars that ain't moving up here, so good thing I filled my gas tank up yesterday. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye. The fuck are they doing way up there?
Being taught, that's what the wording literally means. He's being taught something. He's not saying he's grasped it, but here's how he's being taught it. This thing he's learning, he's being taught it through repeated habitual practice. That's Just like the guy that steps up to the free throw line at basketball. How does he become good at shooting free throws? He simply steps and he shoots. So this is what Paul is saying. I'm shooting. And I'm shooting. And I'm shooting. And I'm shooting. But
someone you care about has diabetes or pre-diabetes, there's a special free video you need to watch. You may have heard about this. It's all over the internet. OODiabetes.com. People who have followed this plan at OODiabetes.com reportedly have not only normalized their blood sugar, but have stopped taking their diabetes meds completely with their doctor's approval. OODiabetes.com is a natural, drug-free approach to reversing diabetes with remarkable results in as little as 4 weeks. OODiabetes.com will save you from being a slave to doctor-prescribed drugs. It's easy. OODiabetes.com gives you 3 specific actions to get your blood sugar under control. And the best part is the main ingredient and solution is a common household spice found in most kitchens. Watch the free video for yourself at OODiabetes.com. Watch for free at OODiabetes.com.
Asshole.
Get back the quality of your life and free yourself from diabetes medication. Go to OODiabetes.com.
At Advance Auto Parts, we don't just sell batteries. Oh no, we test them for you free. Need a new one? No problem. Because only Advance Auto Parts carries Autocraft Gold batteries. Autocraft Gold is designed with power frame technology, engineered to give you longer battery life. Plus, at Advance Auto Parts, we'll install your new battery for you free. Only at Advance Auto Parts. Advance Auto Parts. With purchase, most vehicles, most locations. See store for details.
You're on the clock with the NFL Scouting Combine Sweepstakes, engineered by GMC. Enter now for a chance to win a trip to the 2014 NFL Scouting Combine and compete in actual combine drills, just like the top NFL prospects. For details and a chance to win, visit NFL.com/combine/sweepstakes. Enter today. No purchase necessary. Ends at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time on 2/10/14. Must be legal resident of 50 U.S. and District of Columbia, 18 and over.
Fucking asshole!
NFL.com/GMC Combine Sweeps for official rules.
You're a real fucking straight one.
The raw power of concert sound is now yours to take anywhere. From the stage to the home, JBL portable speakers deliver big sound with a built-in bass port, like the JBL Pulse, with a full LED light display that dances to the music like no one's watching. Take your music further with JBL portable speakers, available at participating Sprint stores today.
Okay, new kid. Here's your company phone. I've pre-programmed it with every number you need in life. The first one's my personal number. Never call it, ever. The second one is 1-800-GRANGER. Use it for everything else. Any problem you have, they can help. I've also loaded the Granger app for you. You can download it for free. Tippity on the spot. Your solution is on its way.
What the fuck are you doing?
Granger. Get it? Got it?
You want to hit something?
Good.
Go ahead.
Call,
You fucking ass,
Granger.com
fucking
or
hole.
stop by. Granger, for the ones who get it done.
The Legion of Boom is a legacy, it's a group, it's a legion, it's a vast army of individuals, and we have countless bodies behind us that are more than capable of doing the job. It's Cam Chancellor, the enforcer, the guy who sets the tone for the defense. It's Earl Thomas, the fastest guy on the field, the most knowledgeable, who understands everything. I think it's our identity, and it sets a high standard, and it's a standard that I think everybody is more than capable of living up to and have.
That's Seattle All-Pro corner Richard Sherman on the moniker given to the Seahawks secondary. Welcome back to the Super Bowl edition of
Fuck
NFL
out of the way.
Below. Seattle has stifled just about every offense in the National Football League. The only thing standing in the way of the Seahawks' first ever World Championship is Peyton Manning. I sat down with All-Pro safety Earl Thomas, and I asked him where the Legion of Boom came from.
Cam came up with it.
That fucker's an asshole.
I think we put on Twitter like 3 names, and they came up with LOB, and it just stuck. What a great name. I think the Legion of Boom, it describes us all. You know, we all very explosive, capable of making, impacting plays in any type of situation. So that's where that boom comes from.
A lot of the attention over the last week has been focused on your teammate Richard Sherman.
Right.
As a team, as a secondary, how do you deal with that kind of attention?
Well, you just enjoy it. You got to root for them. You got to, encourage them. You want guys to step up and, make a name for themselves. That's what everybody individually is trying to do anyway.